Hi, I'm Naomi and welcome to Get Talking Oz English. Today it's fast vocabulary time. This time there's no worksheet, so get a pen and some paper and let's get started. 5 common kitchen utensils. Okay, are you ready? Number 1, ladle. 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 Number 2, spatula. 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 Number 3, turner or flipper. Turner, flipper, turner, flipper. Number 4, peeler. Peeler, peeler. Number 5, tongs. Tongs, tongs. Okay, test time. You'll see a picture. Can you remember the name of the utensil? You'll get 5 seconds before the answer is revealed. Are you ready? Peeler. Tongs. Turner, flipper. Spatula. Ladle. Did you get them all correct? Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one.